Hey guys, if your Webflow layout is suddenly breaking, like things are overlapping, going off screen, or just looking messy, yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step in a really simple way. All right, first, you want to figure out exactly where the problem is. Usually it's a section or div that's pushing outside the screen. So one of the most common fixes is overflow. Just select the body or the main wrapper and set overflow to hidden on the horizontal axis. That usually stops that annoying side scroll. Next, check your widths. If anything is set to a fixed pixel width, like 1000 pixels or something, that can break your layout on smaller screens. Instead, use width 100% and add a max width like 1200 pixels and center it with auto margins. Okay, now if you're using flexbox, this is where things can get a bit tricky. Sometimes items don't wrap and just overflow. So just select the parent div, turn on flex wrap, and make sure your child elements aren't using fixed widths. If you're using grid, make sure your columns are responsive. A good trick is using min-max, like 250 pixels to one fraction unit. That way, your layout adjusts automatically instead of breaking. And yeah, don't forget mobile. A layout might look perfect on desktop, but completely broken on smaller screens. So switch through tablet and mobile views and adjust spacing, font sizes, and stacking. And that's pretty much it. Fix overflow, avoid fixed sizes, and always check responsiveness. That's the key. If this helped, you can go ahead and apply these fixes to your project right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.